Today we're going to be doing an experiment that showcases simple harmonic motion. So I'm going to be doing this with a baking potato as my bob, some string that I've measured out to 80 centimeters. I've got my data recording table right here, and what I'm going to be looking for is the time period that it takes for the potato to do one oscillation. Now, how we're going to be doing this is we're going to be recording the time that it takes for the potato to do 10 oscillations, and we're going to do 3 trials of this, getting an average for all 3 trials, and then dividing the average by 10 to get the time period that it takes the potato to do 1 oscillation. Alright, so if you look over here, I've got a pencil to serve as an anchor for my pendulum, and I've got a protractor to let me know the angle. Alrighty, so let me begin by putting the string around my potato. Now I'm going to apply the string to the pencil. Alright, so now I'm going to dangle the potato. Now what we're looking for is 1 oscillation, which is when the potato returns back to its starting position and in the same direction of motion. So we're going to start by elevating the potato by 10 degrees, which, as you can see, I have done that. I'm going to be recording the time that it takes for the potato to do 10 oscillations. All right, so now I shall begin. 1 oscillation, 2 oscillations, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so if you look at the stopwatch, you can see that it took 18.42 seconds for the potato to do 10 oscillations. So now I'm going to write this down, 18.42 seconds. And now for the rest of the experiment, let's say I would now do 2 more trials, and then with these 3 values, I would divide them by 3, take an average value, and then to find the time that it takes for the potato to do 1 oscillation, I would divide the average value by 10, and this would give me the time period for 1 oscillation. And that would conclude our experiment. Thank you.